welcome to my channel. I am Dibbosri and you are watching Dibbosri's Astrology and Vastu. I am very much thankful to all my subscribers and listeners. You all are liking the topic I am discussing and I am getting positive response. Today I am offering you a Tarpan remedy which literally works very well. 15th, 16th and 17th September within 10 am you can proceed this remedy. This will help you to minimize and in some cases remove the cards comes from the ancestors. This treatment is mentioned in Garuda Purana, in Kurma Purana and a little portion in Shiva Purana. The ingredients needed are 7 little dough of flour, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, unboiled or raw milk. If it is cow milk, then it's good. Fresh coconut water. Mind it is coconut water, not green coconut water, coconut water. Fresh water, durba grass or weed with 3 sticks, just like Trishula. We remove the excess sticks and we keep only 3 sticks like Trishula in weed or durba. Then Gomutra or cow urine, silver or steel plate. Now mind it, aluminium or glass plate should not be taken. Only silver, gold or steel plate. Then mud vessels or malsha. 8 coins of same currency. If you take 1 rupee coin, take 8 1 rupee coin. If you take 5 rupee coin, take 8 5 rupee coin. Now I am telling you the procedure. First, in the plate, arrange 7 doughs in a line in the plate. Then purify all the doughs. To purify the dough, you have to take Gomutra along with water. Mix it with your right palm. Now sprinkle that mixture of Gomutra and water with your ring finger or with Kushapatra. If you take Kushapatra, hold the Kushapatra with your ring finger and thumb finger and then sprinkle the Gomutra water with Kushapatra. Otherwise, you can sprinkle with ring finger also. Likewise, sprinkle some fresh coconut water in each pindas. Sprinkle in each pindas. Thus, the Shuddhikaran or purification process is done. Now, take some turmeric powder and with the help of your ring finger, put the mark or tilak in each pindas. You can make a turmeric paste also with turmeric powder, little bit of fresh coconut water and little bit of raw or unboiled milk. Mixture of these 3 ingredients makes a paste. Now take that paste with your ring finger and put tilak or mark in each pindas. After that, place 1 durba or wheat in each pindas. After that, place the coin in each pindas. It means 7 coins in 7 pindas. Now 1 extra coin, I'll tell you later what will you do with that coin. Now take the vessel of unboiled or raw milk, hold it with your left palm and pour the milk on each pindas through your right palm. Now I am telling you the procedure, how to pour the milk in each pindas. Hold the milk with your left palm. Pour the milk first to the inner elbow of your right palm and let the milk flow from your inner elbow to your right palm. Let it touch to the middle of your palm. That means the Ketu position of your palm. And from there, let the milk pass through your ring finger and little finger and at last the milk will reach each pindas. You got it? Hold the milk with your left hand, pour the milk first to the inner elbow of your right palm. Let the milk be flow through your entire hand and reach it to your palm. Then let it flow from your ring finger and little finger. Then only it will drop to the pinda. Pour milk to each pindas. And at this time, just pray. Pray to your ancestors and tell from your mind, from the core of your heart, that all my ancestors, please forgive me, forgive us. We have hurt you many times, consciously or unconsciously. Please forgive. Please bless us. Now, after praying like this, maintain some silence. And during that silent time, pass a white energy or white light or positive light, positive energy from you to each pindas. Now, touch each pindas with your ring finger and chant or utter Vasudeva mantra 7 times on each pindas. I am telling you the Vasudeva mantra. It is Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Like this, 7 times on each pindas, touching the pinda with your ring finger. Now, after this procedure is over, let it be like that for 24 minutes. After 24 minutes, accumulate all the pindas and make a single dough or single ball and pray again to your ancestors and ask for their blessings. Now, pray to God that your ancestors should get peace. Please pray to the God that God, please give all my ancestors peace, peace, peace. Also, you pray to God, if your ancestors want any rebirth, please God, fulfill all the desires of my ancestors. Now, after this prayer, this total procedure is completed. After the completion of the procedure, we have to wait for 2-3 hours. After that, the entire thing, the entire pindas, you have to bury under a tree outside your home, or you can put it to the water, river, or you can put it to the mud vessel or malsha and keep it in the crossroad. Now, if you decide to keep the thing in the crossroad, then do it after 12th night or before the next sunrise. You can bury in a tree or you can offer it to the water. You can do it after 2-3 hours of the completion of the total process. But in the case of crossroad, if you put it in the crossroad, then only you can do it after 12th night or the time before the sunrise. Now mind it, you have to do it 3 consecutive days, that is 15th, 16th and 17th of September. Each day you have to take fresh coconut water. Don't use the previous day's extra coconut water for the next day's work. Don't do it. And now with the extra 1 coin, you have to throw it to the water or river or throw it to the funeral ground. You don't have to enter to the funeral ground. You can do it out from the outside of the funeral ground. Either offer it to the water or throw it into the funeral ground. I hope with this extremely powerful process, you can minimize your problem by your own. Those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like, share, and please visit my channel those who have already subscribed, thank you.